Hello and welcome! Today I'll be making these purple and black rose earrings. I will be using these supplies. Roll out your purple and black clay into long snake-like shapes. Chop it up into small pieces. Use one purple and one black for every rose petal. Mix it together, twist it, roll it into a ball, flatten it, twist it, roll it into a ball, flatten it. You can do this as many times as you'd like. I think 2 looks pretty good. Now assemble your roses. You can make your roses larger by adding more petals, or smaller by taking some away. I pinched the center of each rose petal to make it come to a little bit of a point. This gives the roses character and makes them look more realistic. Now make the other 5 roses. Add in your eye hooks. I do find it easier to pre-poke the holes before putting in the eye hooks. Bake and resin. Glue in your eye hooks. Assemble your earrings. Out of all the pieces I make, I think I enjoy making the roses the best. You can also visit my shop to see all the earrings I've made. Want to check it out? Click on the link in the description. Thank you so much. Bye!